It is common knowledge that billionaire Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has made huge money from a number of multi-bagger stocks such as Titan, Crystal, Aurobindo and many others. His trades are widely followed and reported in the news that sometimes even make stock prices rise and fall in a great way. What we're gonna talk about today is three big reasons why you should not follow Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio, and particularly not in these uncertain times of 2020. So let's get started. Number 1. There is a massive difference between Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's and your risk profile. Just compare his portfolio size versus yours. His 0.001% loss could even mean a complete loss of your entire life savings. Number 2. You just can't keep up with Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. News channels too can't keep up with him. Damn, he is fast. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala can actually buy or sell a stock using his own name or maybe using numerous companies he owns. Even the company he invests in, as per regulation, report only at the end of the quarter if he invested and only if his holding is more than 1%. So there is no way you and I can know in real time on what exact dates Rakesh Jhunjhunwala makes a buy or sells the stock. Number 3. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a very rare, talented investor and a trader combo. In my opinion, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is more of a trader than an investor. The smart thing to do is you can learn his investing or trading principles, maybe from books and interviews, rather than copying what he buys or sells. Remember, it's only your responsibility to protect your capital. So do your own research, build your own confidence why to invest in a stock, and then only put your money in it. That's the investor attitude that makes you wise and will really make you wealthy someday.